Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to receive a fix for faulty, vivid color mode. Despite the overwhelming positive reception of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, a display issue has come to light, causing concerns among users. Reports of muted and dull colors on Ultra screen started circulating soon after the phone reached consumers. Initial speculation pointed towards the new anti-reflective Corning Gorilla Glass armor coating as the culprit. However, users keenly observed that the problem was not hardware-related but rather a software bug affecting the vivid display color mode. The bug prevents the saturation from changing when users switch between the vivid and natural screen modes, leading to a less vibrant display. In response to user complaints, Samsung has officially acknowledged the issue and assured users that a fix is in the works. According to a support chat screenshot shared with Forbes by a Galaxy S24 Ultra user, Samsung's developer team is actively addressing the problem. The solution will likely come within a software update package, resolving the display glitch and restoring the vibrant colors on the Samsung 5G new smartphone. While the exact timeline for the software fix remains unclear, Samsung users can continue media playback without experiencing the display issue in natural mode. Streamers and gamers can still enjoy the device's full color capabilities until the bug fixes are out. Samsung's response to the issue shows real commitment. The company's resolve to address the concern demonstrates its dedication to a seamless user experience for Galaxy S24 Ultra owners. Stay tuned for all incoming updates on the S24 Ultra and other Galaxy devices.